Hi, I am Hao Yuan. Today, I'm going to show you how to factorize a difficult expression. This is the O-level format. And then originally I did the, let me show you. This one is the revision exercise 4. Revision practice 4. This is to help us to consolidate what we have learned for the past few years. For the past few years in secondary school, my math teacher used to teach me how to factorize the expression. My father tonight he asked me to do this 9C question, factorize each of the following completely. The example, let me give you 2 examples of how to factorize the algebraic expressions. Firstly, the first example I'm going to show you is 4b plus 8 bracket a minus 2b. So, what should we do first? First, there is a plus 8 bracket a minus bracket a minus 2b. Why must we remove the bracket of a minus 2b is to distribute the terms efficiently. This is called the distributive law. After we expand the bracket, a minus 2b we will get 4b plus 8a minus 16b minus negative 16b. Without expanding the bracket, we will not be able to get the like terms in the algebraic expression. 4b plus 8a minus negative 4b plus positive 8a negative 16b. We found the like terms 4b minus negative 16b. They are all like terms because they have a b in it. 4b minus negative 16b is equal to the third step is the second step is after we expand, and then the third step is we combine all the things we expanded and collecting of like terms. 4b negative 16b gives us negative 12b. 8a minus 12b, there is a common factor. 4 is the common factor of 8a negative 12b. 4 bracket 2a minus 3b is the final answer. We can check by expanding them back to get the original expression to see if the answer is still the same. My father will scold me if I am very careless, and then he said, 验算 is to check again. In Chinese, 验算 is to double check my math calculations again, in order to prevent me from being careless and make serious mistakes. Let me show you the second example. So, this one is the tree. Because my original question that 我原来出的那道题，我原来出的那道数学题是错的。And then he said, "It's very far away." 这个太远了。And then this one, right? After I expanded, 这是一个新的一道数学题。This is a new math question that I came up on my own. It says factorize negative 9a squared x plus 54bx. I'm sorry, I'm wrong. Plus 54b squared x negative 24a cube x plus, because I didn't write this properly, this sign, I don't know whether it's a negative or a plus, a positive sign. It gives us a 144ab squared x. Let me show you. First, we get a common term. First step, extract the common term. He asked me to, every time I do the math calculation, 他让我一步步来，一步步骤，每个步骤要写清楚。He asked me to write every step clearly. He asked me not to jump, 不要跳步骤。3 minus 3 negative 3x is the common term for this negative 9a squared x plus 54b squared x negative 24a cube x positive 144a squared x. Common term is 3x and the other needs to be factorized out. Can this be? 这个可以能再解吗？Can this expression be, algebraic expression be simplified further? Yes, 可以。还可以再除的。So 3 bracket, this one can be factorized further, but this time it can be in two groups. 3 bracket a's common factor for this expression is 3. Then the first group is 3 bracket a squared minus negative 6b squared close bracket plus 8a bracket a squared negative 6b squared minus 3x bracket a squared minus negative, I'm sorry, I said the sign wrongly. Negative, instead of saying minus 6b squared, it should be negative 6b squared. Common factor is for these two groups is a squared negative 6b squared. This one is also applied, the same group apply. Then we put out the remaining factors. We extract this common factor out. Negative 3x, this dot stands for multiplied by a squared negative 6b squared bracket 3 plus 8a close bracket. That's the final answer to this question, to this math question. Note, this math question I come up on my own. This one is an actual O-level question that is common, that is tested in exams. In exams, actually, if you have time, people, if you have time, you try out these two questions, these two math questions. Please remember to show these two examples that I teach you. Write down in details, step by step. Do not jump step. You can also refer to factorization. This one is also the word examples. You can factorize by special products, or this is the grouping. Common factor is the grouping one. These are all the examples that you can refer. These are all the examples. And then we go to this one. This one is also the same examples. Also the same examples that we learned in the past few years in secondary school. Please have a look at it when you have time. This is also the one, special products. Special products, the expansion part also have. Multiplication, factorization is the process of the reverse of expansion. So, hope that all of you have done something important today. Thank you for watching this video. Good night.